What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. I'm to them people, I'm bridging them just a walk out and I say, you know what? I was gonna give you guys a different vlog, but I just know when I'm bridging them just forward from Jamaica. Them can't say I'm fairly new. So him live here about say 4 or 5 years now. So we're gonna ask him a couple experience and all his experience. And would he consider moving back to Jamaica now in 2024 of how Jamaica is running too? And them also have my next virgin name right here, so also too. Them live in Canada for about say 17 years. So I'm gonna ask him for him opinion on how him live in Canada for the last 17 years and the difference of a new Jamaican and a seasonal Jamaican who are living in Canada in a long time. You understand my people? And yeah, them I'm gonna tell you what them do in Canada also too. So I'm gonna put them name and description of what them do in Canada, and I think two of them the music too also, so you can go over them Instagram and check out them content and work. I also did one music video for one of the youth them stand up here to me. I see me can put a little piece of video right over one part of the video when they talk, and you can go check out film content and work too also. Alright now people, and you don't know it's 416-876 Jamaica. We just are going to a different vibe people. I'm supposed to do a different video, and the topic was just too hard to really talk about. So I'm just saying, you know what, I'm going to drive back around and link up my bridge in them and do a 15-minute quick vlog with them. And you know, shout them out, see them way so you can introduce them to the vlogging world and thing, you know. But yeah, but at the end of the day, my people, yeah, I don't want to do it. At the end of the day right now, my people, no man, you can't do nothing man. I vlog man. Yeah man, people. So them have to look for your jaw right now, because you don't know none of them people that look like them not really like for the park cab right up with people. So right now people, let's start off with Gio. Gio living in Canada now my people for about how long now? Say about 4 or 5 years now?
Yeah, about 4 almost 5 years now.
Alright my people, so you can introduce yourself to the camera there, Gio.
Oh go on.
Talk louder.
Oh go on, Dan Gio. You don't know. Artist slash music producer slash business owner, entrepreneur, you don't know.
Come closer to the camera.
Yeah. So I've been here. Yeah, like
so quick question, so when you just come to Canada, like what was your expectation of Canada? Like you did a Jamaica, nothing now go on for your Jamaica, now boom, the family say, yo, you gone on the Iron Bird, you get the chance to lift up. What are your opinion upon it, and how did you feel like when you lift up really, you step off a plane and reach Canada? How you feel?
Well, at first when I hear the news still, I'm excited of course, you know. And I say yeah, new life, you know, new opportunities. And honestly, I'm just forward, like before I forward my thing say yo, man come see. Be white people. No, you know, black people are the scariest, but when me land a Scarborough, I look left and look left.
So long son.
When me land a Scarborough, it's hot in the dark. Me in a jacket and thing hot.
Okay, I know, say brand new, you know, my people, because in the summertime and man in a jacket like this. Like, people, really?
It's cold out here, bro.
Through the sun? No, I'm going to put your face in the sunlight, that's why.
It's cold, people. I understand. Now I start sweat on camera.
Yeah, man, go on.
So, come there, you know. Yeah. So I'm land and look left and look right. I see be a yard man just like me. Everybody, yo, go on.
Go on, fam.
All the Chinese and Asian and India and everybody.
Go on, fam.
Go on and I chat. I say, yo, what is? I left yard for come my yard. You see me, I say? Real talk, cause it's like, it's so, everybody I try to talk Jamaican and I try to be Jamaican and thing, you see me? And at first it was very annoying, because I say, yo, them people, you know? Them all I use the words them wrong. Them are the wrong content.
JC, I was here first, like your first time you come to Canada, what your first experience to?
So, name Jermaine, you know, Instagram J, you know, I'm a manager, first assistant at McDonald's, you feel me?
People, if you ask him some McDonald's question. But people, if you don't want to hear any McDonald's question for a management, a Jamaican manager working in Canada, and you make me know and just comment below. and we can go tap in a film system over the year.
Yeah, man. So I'm a first assistant manager at McDonald's, and I also have my own record label or business partner there. So it's me. It's called JCMRA, and it's a clothing line. We sell merch. You understand? You can go over the website www.jcmra.com. You'll see more right now about this still. You see me?
So what was your first initial thought when you come off a plane to know?
So honestly, when you don't know me, I come somewhere boring. Because when I got embassy, you know, and I do the paperwork, you know, I see them put up some black and white paper. I don't know anything in a black and white, not to enjoy it, you know, grey. You see me, then color there, some different color. Them, you see me, and I see me exactly when I come over here, come stay. What get me is the weather, the cold. That's the first thing we get. Because you don't know where I come out a tropic area and you're coming out an ice box. You see me? So that was the first challenge, being inside here mentally and physically, if you get over the coldness there and everything. But secondly, I have to deal with the people then. You see me? To deal with the challenges for communicate. Because the communication, you don't know, we speak Pata over here. So, you know, we can't even speak Canadian to, eh? You feel me? So that doesn't mean that I have to speak Patois to you also. I can actually go into tap into that English and all of that.
Alright, so now I live here now for a couple of years. What the first advice for somebody who jokes out come to Canada who will live in Jamaica right now? What the first advice that I give them?
Have a plan. Stick to your plan.
Yeah, have a plan, focus on the plan, and do it easy. In Canada, it's easy if you drift from the plan. You see me?
Easy, very easy. Cause so much
Very.
things there and people there.
Everything
influence.
there, you see me? Everything, drugs.
Everything where you want. If you say you
Good
can
and
get
bad.
this up,
You
you
understand?
get everything here, so. You see me? And then the next thing too, you see, when you're there, yeah, there's somewhere different. I mean, I don't know about a different place, but I know about Jamaica. When you're there, yeah, if you mess up, you can't set a boom and come back. Yes, so when you mess up, you have to pay a fee. So every mess up, you have to pay a fee. Either you pay a fee money or you pay some time. You see me? I don't say it, you see me? So you coming into the country, if you know, say, you live a certain type of standard life in a Jamaica or wherever you come here, so try to curve it in a way where you work with the system and the system not to work with you.
So how hard it is to living in Canada compared to Jamaica financial wise? What do you think Jamaica better for living in 2024 or Canada is better for living in 2024 financial wise? Say you just move from Jamaica. You just move from Jamaica come here. Say 5 years now, cause GL say him live here for 5 years, right? Oh no look upon that space there financial wise. Like you think Jamaica easier in 2024 right now or Canada easier?
Right now,
I think I see him ratio. You know?
what I say? What I say, Canada easier.
In what sense?
Alright, you have to put, so boom, it's easier in the sense of,
If you have your documents.
no, yeah, if you have your documents
If you
and
have
your
your documents
papers,
and your papers, you're
yes,
good to go.
you get
You
the
do
money.
anything
It's still hard.
yeah,
But
it's hard, but
it's
listen,
hard,
hold on,
but a little bit different.
I'm gonna say something. So boom, you have your papers and everything, you work your honest bread. It quicker to get money working a 9 to 5, or let's say you're illegal man and you sell whatever you sell or whatever. It quicker to get money because value, you know what I say, and it quicker to get money, it easier in that sense financially, but it not easier in a no other alley, only
No.
financially. You
Yeah.
see me, I say no other alley, like mentally, physically,
No.
emotionally,
Car-
them things they're not easy.
man come up here and say, yo, we're gonna be drugs dealer. We're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. You see me? You say a Jamaica, you know your enemy there. When you're there over here, so you don't know who is there because everybody laugh with you. Everybody smile with you. Everybody.
Yeah man, people up here fake too, you have to watch out for that. If you come to Canada,
You see me? So
their motto is fake. Whenever hear nobody say
nobody
Canadian
is- you
motto
feel me?
still, but
fake. So
So you have real friends at Jamaica down here?
yeah, right now,
Yes.
like right now, I wouldn't consider. I can't, brother. I not even have more than 3 friends, like real friend. You know when yeah, man say real friend.
Yeah,
we even
yeah.
call them friend, them my
Friend,
brother.
brother.
Man like them man, yeah, my brother. You see me? I say.
also I go.
All my realest friend them there, yeah. 'cause
How hard it is for you to get a job here?
It is still, especially with the COVID and the overflow with immigrants coming into the country.
Yes, a lot of.
You see me?
Whole heap of competition with immigrants.
And that's the thing with, another next thing to it, if I understand about foreign. Foreign is competitive, very, very competitive. Isn't if you wanna strive for excellent and strive for goal, you see me? You best you just go and make a yard, go and go sit down. You see me? Because I know you can sit down and beg a man $1. You see me? Call a foreigner and say, yo, send me this and send me that if that case. But if you're there and actually see the actual struggle and grinding, you're right now, people that live out of them care. I Canada. I drive out the other day and I say I'm a woman asleep on the roadside.
So you say it's harder to live in Canada right now than Jamaica?
It's pretty much harder because...
I have a virgin, you know. Man, alright people, I'm sure nothing. So I have a virgin, you know. Now I call the name and thing, you know. So the dog goes a bomb now. Farm worker, man say, boom, come on Canada. Farm work, you see it. Life up for man, everything. So the family say, yo, I was skirt, you see. Man say, I go run off. But see when him run off, people, him run off in the summertime. So everything good, everything that the man say, oh dog, I best thing that I ever do in my life. Me now go back and do Jamaica. Bam, bam, bam. Remember, I know my people, this person was a good name production Tyler, you know. Big job him have a Jamaica, him have him care and everything, you know. Come to Canada now. He make one of him virgin tell him say, yo, two of we are disappear a morning. The man say when man come, two of them disappear, but one take car go so one take car go so. The man say you have to depend on your own. So him gone for him one on summertime, you know, summertime over here warm. So you know him never been through winter yet, cause him never come up on the winter program, right? Summer program, so him say, you know, everything done this and the man up here nice man, foreign me thing there now. November leak now my people. Dog I call up everybody, yo! Earth curve, can't stay with it though. Remember again now my people. See when I live in Canada now, me live with family. See when I live in Canada, you can't just put up people like that, you know, cause most people are live with people, you know. And you know it's easy if it doesn't make a man all when you're virgin from yard. You can't just bring them in your house just like that because them same people will sometimes turn pan you and eat you like vultures. Remember me telling you that, you know, my people, so I never like when the dog come tell me that, you know, and I like if me have the space, my people, yeah, whether I put it on for like 2 weeks or a month. You understand? But when you have no space, but me I try telling you, don't people who work on farm work and don't come here and just run off just like that and think everything will be done this shandy and not just think life is like that. Yes, summertime is very nice in Canada. I wouldn't tell nobody to leave here.
About the white lady them too.
Wait them people, I'm gonna tell you about the white girls them cause like two of them have white girls. Why you leave out?
Yeah, man, I'm late.
Oh, you're all late. You have 5 more minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, man, I'm done by 20. So I tell them about I'm gonna give them experience now with some of the white girls them where them been around in Canada. So I can tell them 1 second. I'm gonna turn back around the camera.
So yeah man, so no phone now run off. And I thought about say, yo, Ray, if you know true virgin round on the one now do that. On the don't do it. No make nobody influence me say, yo, on the run off and when you find a white girl for do this and do that. Not even more to say even white, find a woman because some of them black women are too they disgusting to you see me. So I'm not gonna be judgmental and all of that. So some of them women they would make car you come from yard and use a man, you have your woman and your wife a yard, you know, brother. And then we know that too, you know. You see me? But they want to left that and come to that and you know go do that and guess what happened now? Then start style and enough man must see that happen too. You see me? And then go beat woman in the system then gone and then gone back to Jamaica and can't come back to Canada. So it work. You see what I say? So if you don't feel say, you know, come over here, I want to come over here. It's yo. If you don't work that way, then I go marry that woman. You know, so easy for marry woman over here, so brother. And when I do, remember me tell her. And she had the woman no more. Yeah, the woman. And she had the man. You see what I say? You can't work, brother. And she gonna bring in the money. You see me say? You say anything she tell you to do, you have to go do that. You see what I say? So your independence gone. I understand what I say. So, you know, putting himself in a predicament there. That's what I say. Think smart, move wise.
Jay, what you think about the topic then?
Which topic that?
Why too, man? Girls in Canada in general. How is your experience with the girls them over here?
Girls in Canada, them different still. Them just different. Mentally,
Yeah, man.
mentally them different.
So you have to prepare yourself for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to prepare that.
Like, them men's different still.
It's like a battlefield with them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Them
they-
think back way, you see me? That I
It's
most.
nice. They want to be like
That's the
man.
best way me
they
can
want,
put
they
it.
want like them aware, them have the balls them in the relationship because they're independent, and that's what Canada do to women.
So me ask you now a question. So when I say that I gotta get deported. What if something come one day and the government just kick out all of them from the country? You have no backup plan for go back home too?
Yeah, man, you have to have a couple of man. You have to have
Would you
save
even
your
move
money.
back? Would you what you know that move back to Jamaica per se if you say we are gonna live back in a Jamaica
Right now.
right now? You hear that move back to Jamaica right now?
Right now.
You hear that, my people? So again, my people, I know only for people who come over here really like over here, and most people just over here because of money freedom. And that time, and the money freedom are used today and really they are like that
You're not
no
there,
more
you're not
because they really
there,
can't save because when you go to boom, your
Inflation.
minimum wage hour $2,000.
$1,650 up here.
No, me I say for the month.
Yeah, around 2,000 a month.
2,000 a month.
That's
Yeah,
all?
around
Minimum
that,
wage, yeah?
Yeah, around
16.50 an hour.
16.50
Something
an
like that.
hour.
So $1,800 for a month.
Yeah,
And
around
then-
that.
and
So
then
after they
tax.
take
Minus
out them.
tax, so about 4 bills out of tax, guy.
Yeah.
Whole heap of tax.
Right, so you make $1,600-$1,700 a month, my people. Rent, one bedroom basement right now in Toronto.
$1,000.
$1,000.
$1,000. Brother, where you come from? $1,600, bro. 12.
Alright, so right that's already people, right that's already you don't live being underneath the means because what I call it, $500.
You see me?
You can't, that's just for food for the month.
Yeah.
That not include your phone bill, internet, light, what, all of them stuff there if you have to put that in. So
Yeah.
that's why I know
Alright.
people,
Hold
I whole
on,
heap, what
let me
they,
see
that's why I whole heap of people, I whole heap of youth out there, I whole heap of people, I know them people. Them over here, and you tell me say a man live in a house and a woman live in a house and the two of them not there together, me I try to show you how hard it is,
but that's how it is up here.
They
Yeah,
like
man,
woman,
freedom.
man and woman split up, but because them can't move out, them have to live in a same roof.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog, that's a real talks. Real talks.
Me know a baby, a man live with them baby mother.
Yeah.
And she a bring him man in the house and him a bring him own in the house because them can't, if the two of them can't leave.
Yes, man.
Because if him go leave, him go spend $3,000 a month, $2,000 a month for his property.
Big up.
Some people might go put him in the comments and thing.
Yeah, man. That's
So-
how it go, man.
How are your experience with that?
Yo.
One
Yeah.
chap.
Yo, with that still, yeah, I'm about man where live in a house with woman, man. And matter of fact, I'm about man where pay for us, for woman. And she, I live free, and she I bring her man, nigga, and him can't do nothing about it. And him have to pay for the house. I don't think I'm going to foreign, isn't it? So, I make them fool, you know, with the big car, the big house, and I say, yo, me I wear Louis Vuitton, me I wear Gucci, me I wear this, I yes, I some live a foreign. No.
So quick question, how's the Jamaican community over here versus the Jamaican community? Because you just put up on a topic, Make people let me know, say, it's easy for finance a car out here and finance belt bags and this off credit card here.
Yo, you can finance a Louis Vuitton bag. Don't make them fool, you know. You can finance a Louis Vuitton shoes or a Gucci shoes. Don't make them fool. You see me? Don't make them use this lifestyle and make you feel like, so, yo, it's this or that. No, you can finance one of them big gold chain there. You see me? You see the all with diamond them way rapper. Bro, majority of those stuff are finance, bro. But if you're smart, you can use that finance, and that's a different topic we can talk about, but I feel left here next day, you see me? But if you know how to finance and use it to your best interest and have collaterals mixed with it, you get where you can deal with the business.
So quick
You see me?
question too. How is the crime rate in Canada compared to Jamaica? Why some people ask them to leave them now bother go back to Jamaica because the crime is just exceeding the limit now in a Jamaica that people don't even want to go back home.
You see, the crime rate in Jamaica have to deal with the youth them, they are intelligent. Don't get it wrong, because enough of them youth in Jamaica do badness and crime, they can read and write. You see me? A man who can't read and write and them thing, they see him a white car. That may I tell them. You see me? Which scammer can read and write? You see me? So I would say the crime rate at Jamaica and the crime rate, yeah, so you have to just deal with brought up, see, man. You see me? So a parent brought up them youth and make sure they know what going on in them youth life. Them become a friend with them youth plus a parent. They're just not a friend. You see what I'm saying? Enough of them parents and just a friend to them youth, and anything them youth do, they appall with it because they claim so they never get certain privilege in their life, so they allow it, and when they allow certain things to come for bad. And so me not say the crime rate in Jamaica versus the crime rate in Canada. I pretty much the same thing. You see what I'm saying? Because certain things don't really talk.
Remember, you know, in the last 28 years, 91 people drop, you know.
Yes, but
crime rate in right now, 2024 September, right now, school morning number people. Over 1,800 and something odd people lost their life in Jamaica already, you know.
Alright.
And here not even 4 more months left for the last quarter of the day now, people. In Toronto alone, yes, we just probably hit 80
yeah, but
for the GTA.
But look at this as to speak. Yeah, shooting a gun in Jamaica because you them have more privilege to get gun, and them have.
Oh, you think cause it? You think I hungry the people, them hungry and not make no money?
Brother, oh man.
Think I broke them broke?
Yo.
And a war?
Brother.
Think I hungry them hungry?
Oh man for broke. And a fire one AK where cost.
Almost a million, $1.5 million for your AK.
Tell me now. And him broke.
And him broke. So I can't food them, I can't hungry them hungry.
And a hungriness. I can't hungriness.
Them a fight over the look dirty lane them down there. Who want to be done, want to be done.
It's power struggle. Every man want a name. Every man want have a record for say, yo, I'm me the man. And them a do this for their own people them when they go to school with their own brother and sister. Just forget a name. If you say, yo, me I wear a Louis Vuitton bag, and me a the man, I can go in a party and walk with my buckle in a man. You see what I say? That don't pay bills. You know, so after you do all of that, I think that's why I say you would have brought now, because when you do all of that, to live the lifestyle, and then when you have the money, when you turn to the next means, lie, thief, kill. You see what I say? Scam. But as I say, I see same thing going on in Canada. It's just that you don't get talked about on the level of scale like how Jamaica talk about. And crime rate, brother, you don't talk about the people who are committing suicide every day at Canada.
Yeah, they're on alarming rate, but
yes,
Jamaica people do that too.
They might do that, but not on the alarming rate. There,
no, you have about 130 feet here.
You see me? It's
Canada,
suicide level. Brother,
Canada about 5,000.
You see what I say? So, mentally, the system
over here say draining my people. Every day
man.
you get up and I see anything.
Yes,
Jamaica, yes, I see alright. Panamunda like this. Today a Labor Day in Canada. The Labor Day in Jamaica right now, they're on the beach side. We da cook up some food with friends and family and go and vibe out and enjoy the day. Canada, yes, I think you can do the same thing, you know, but more time.
It costs it.
But it still costs you Jamaica.
Yeah,
but what we are trying, me are trying some people, you don't get the same vibe or energy.
No.
Where you get a Jamaica if you pull up all our nice riverside. Yes, you can pull up one lake over here so you can go the bluffs. You can go.
But it's not the same.
I just over here have the same vibe, the same mentality in the day, the same energy where you put out a Jamaica in the day. Like from come off a plane in a Jamaica, your mentality just change, you just feel free.
Yeah.
Over here say, yeah, what if police are come and check up your car because you never pay for parking ticket, your car probably never registered for this new year. That a one. Two, you might have drink one beer and I park, a police are come look for you for your ticket.
A ticket card.
You're afraid for even drink your alcohol. You're afraid for even bun chicken. You're afraid to do everything. Everything make you just paranoid.
Yeah,
all when you're fully straight.
Yeah, man, already straight the paro over here, man.
You're paro same way and you just don't know why you're paro, but you're just paro because this is not a black man country.
For sure.
At the end of the day.
For sure you are going. What do you hear? Remember, you know, I'm in Canada for 17 years. I mean, I drive on the road for over maybe 6 years now, 7 years now, I drive, or 8. Something like that. Isn't it? And the other day, I get a ticket. This is a lane when I turn left turn. Every time. Whenever, and you know what happened? The man they go pay rent for the lane. And because them pay rent for the lane, me jump up now and I have a job to do, I'm late. I mean I rush. I mean I pay attention, you see me, which is my fault that I should have pay attention. So why for that one then? So never look and say don't turn left. But me there because and this catch me now. You see how messed up life is? Because me I say yo, then finally paint has a red that distract me, you know. you see how the system stay? That distract me I say, them paint the road ready so now and me go make the left turn. As soon as I make the left turn, there's a policeman that pulled me over. Me I plead to the man, I tell the man, say, boy, you know, say, me be straight up, say, yo, you know, say, man, I tell you about this time, I look on the car, I never seen the red thing on the floor before on the road like that, you know what I mean? Like, I never seen it right here, so I didn't look at the sign, so I actually made the left, but I make a good left turn. It's not like I make an illegal left turn. I make a good left turn because there was no car coming or whatever. It's going to mean an accident or anything like that. You know what I mean? It's just that we should have made the left turn because then change the regulation. Right, that's about you see now they not tell nobody so then change the regulation right. So you see what I'm saying? So now me have to pay for learning. This is Canada.
So the next question though. The way how people treat police in Jamaica, you see so you can't treat them the same way over. Jamaican people they not respect in Jamaica to them police them, but as soon as they come a foreign, then drop them pants and every local team. Oh yes, Mr. Officer, yes, Mr. But no, they are Jamaica now. As soon as the police pulling out certain people, me I go cuss. What the blood clot you want, boy? Where you want? Where you pull me over for? Where you pull me? Where you want? Where you want? But as soon as you come a foreign, you pull up on the pants. Hey, good afternoon, officer. What's going on? Why is that?
You know what cause that, brother? Is that sometimes Jamaican police them abuse the authority to a certain length, where especially how they treat younger individual other than
I'm young, but okay. Media Jamaican people. Police pull me over. Hey, good afternoon, officer. Good evening, officer. Hey, I speak to them just like if I'm in Canada.
See, no, that's the
people,
difference.
them don't treat me no way. My cousin now, me I drive one of my cousin them now in Jamaica. He made nappy, he made pull out and stuff like that. Him just born looking like a criminal. And as soon as the police pull him over, the blood clot you pull me over for. What you want, officer? What me do to you? Why you pull me over for? So again, and I him alone did do it. I say, woman do it at Jamaica. What you want, officer? Why you pull me over for? So again, but if them come to America, Canada, England, you see how fast all these Jamaican people change their mentality towards the police. So why they don't do that in Jamaica and show these people respect?
The peace officer them is a peace person.
Because one second, my people, you see when you be vulgar and arrogant to these police in Jamaica, you just know that you're gonna have a miserable day.
Yes.
And you're gonna pay for learn.
Yes.
You're gonna pay twice as hard because you talk to them respectfully, them just let you go on, you know. See when you like you have something for proof, that's when everything changes.
Yes. But you see Canada now, there's no talking.
There's not a paperwork do everything,
paperwork, you know. Do everything.
And if them know them right, then you just know you they not wrong, just shut them out.
Shut them out. Nobody said nothing. So that's the difference with Jamaican police and Canadian police. You see, Canadian police they talk a lot. You see, no, Jamaican police then talk a lot. You see, Canadian police they don't talk. You can't give them an excuse. You understand? You see, for once them pull you over and then pull that book out their pocket, know that a ticket come. Once went and then say, yo, can I see your license and your registration? And you fumble a little bit and be like, oh, can I get your first name and last name, please? That's it. If you can provide a first name and last name, remember you're going at the back of the car. You see me? Just like that. And you didn't utter a word. You didn't be disrespectful. You see me? So that's the difference with Canadian and Jamaican police. Jamaican police, you can toe-to-toe with them and argue with them and things. You see me? But they Canadian police, they're not talk.
So So right now 2023, that advise anybody if you move come to Canada now that the economy is this hard for living compared to Jamaica economy. Cause me live in Jamaica, you know. And me cannot make it work, you know. I don't think I don't want to come over here so still, you know. But probably for the experience and we never know Canada is or America or England is, but in them time of economy, remember, you know, you got to tell me say minimum wage of $1,700 after tax. And you got to tell me say one place of $1,200, you got to tell me say $500 me leave with, you know. Oh, me feel live for $500.
See now.
Minimum wage in Jamaica for a month you make $60,000. Remember again, you know, most people in Jamaica, more, or if you live in Jamaica, you make $60,000 for a month. Remember you live with family, you know. You can baba and weave, you know. You can go and
big house, big yard.
I remember that I just minimum wage.
Yeah.
Because more time you know the Jamaica and I make minimum wage. You go outside hustle or do something else to make at least 150 for a month.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Right, you there Jamaica and I make 150,000 a month. You're above poverty line.
Yeah, most definitely.
Because if you're not pay rent, light and water, food alone you pay for your bus here, you know.
Yeah, for real still. But the thing is, with if I got advice anybody for come to Canada right now, I not advise international students. I want to have the opportunity, so anything have to do with
So you tell a man who there Jamaica if you say you lift up for brother and come over here?
No, I would never tell a man that.
Gio call him.
I would never.
Answer.
Yo.
You see that my people? I'm going to tell you say don't come here, you know, my people. But I'm going to tell you say listen. I want everybody to still come here because I want everybody to have a chance to experience how Canada is. You understand? At the end of the day. I don't want to really come over here and be like, oh, Canada is this way, Canada. I'm not going to tell you say don't come here. All I don't come here because I think over here is a better roads now. And I think over here is just so easy and you just have to make it like that. Come over here, come enjoy. Come. You can link me when you come to come here and can do some videos and show you how hard it is to actually live here now. Back in the days, people that do all that start of things and I make money. Then they can send back home and everything. You're not making no money now to send back home. A lot of people get lucky. Me fall short in that lucky bracket there. You understand? Right now, me can't find money where me spend build a house in Jamaica again. To do the same thing again. I can't replicate that. You understand my people? So like again, my people. We're going to have a part 2. And if you want to see JCM, if you want to see JCM, on the next video, my people, and just make me know about. I'm going to show you how to make film YouTube channel so I can give you good film perspective views of living in Canada. And plus, I think him say more make a family channel too, you know. So you go
check out the YouTube channel, man. You have a music page, you see me, called JCMRA. Everything JCMRA if you want to know anything going. It's almost like I at the company and I say everything.
And people, we're gonna do the McDonald's interview with him too, you know. Yeah man, you know what? The next 3 video after this, we're gonna do the McDonald's interview. We're sitting down and making walk with you. Being a manager for McDonald's in Canada as a Jamaican man and what the fight him get and what the upliftment the boss them give man. Just the entire life.